Hello friends, in the previous video we have defined the material and section properties, and in this video I am going to show you how to draw the beam, column and slab in ETABS with the help of the architectural plan. So first let's go to edit, then edit stories and grid systems, then go to modify bar show story data. In this we can see the stories which have been defined in ETABS for our building, that is the base, story 1, story 2, story 3. Here we are going to add another story, that is the plinth level, which is 1 meter above the ground level, where we are going to provide our plinth beam. So to create another story, just right click here, then go to add story, then keep existing story elevations. Then we'll enter 1 meter, that is 1 meter above the ground level. Then click OK. We'll just rename the story name to plinth. See, now it's done. Now this similar to tabular column shows us what our floors are being similar to the master story. In this, the master story has been set as story 3, that is the topmost story. Here, story 2 is similar to story 3, story 1 is similar to story 3, and we are going to set the plinth level also similar to story 3. This tabular column can be edited as and when required by us. The advantage of setting this is that when we draw or edit something in this master story, that is story 3, it is replicated on the other stories as well, which we have kept as similar to stories. Now let's move ahead. Click OK. Then again OK. Now we can go to options and select architectural plan options. In this we can see all the layers which were used in AutoCAD drawing to draw different members, that is the wall, column, beam, slab, stair, etc. So now we are going to deselect all and select only column, so that we need to see only column in our view. Click OK. See, now only columns are displayed. Then we will select quick draw column option and select property as column 20 by 20, which we have already defined, and make sure that the draw object using is in architectural layer. Then in the bottom right corner we have to select this box and make it as all stories, because we need the column in all the stories. Now to draw column, just create a box over the column which needs to be drawn, and it will be created. So we'll draw the remaining also. See, the columns are now created. Now next we are going to create the beams. For that we'll go to options, then architectural plan options, then we'll deselect all and select only beam, then click OK. See, now only the beams are displayed. Now to draw the beams, we'll select quick draw beams bar column option, and this we will see whether all the data are correct. The line time is frame, the property is beam 20 by 30, and draw object using architectural layer. Now to draw the beam, we will move the cursor over the beam which needs to be drawn and just click there. So the beams are drawn. So we will draw the remaining beams also. While moving the cursor over the beam, we can see a dotted line which represents the beam which is going to be drawn. Now all the beams are drawn. Next, we have to draw the slabs. For this, we will go to Options, then Architectural Plan Options, then deselect all, and we will select Slab. Then click OK. See, now only the slab is displayed. Now, to draw the slab, we'll go and select Quick Draw Floor Bar Wall option. Then we'll select the property as Slab, then draw object using Architectural Layer. Then we'll move the cursor over the slab area until it gets highlighted. Then we'll click the left mouse button. Similarly, to draw the other slab and the other one. Now, when we refer to 3D view, we can see that the slab is being drawn in the ground floor also. This is because here we have selected all stories. If we had selected similar stories, the slab would have been drawn at the story 3, story 2, story 1 and plinth level only. So, as we don't require slab in the plinth level and the ground floor, we are just going to delete it. So, we'll just go to the base story and here we'll just click one story and then select the slab and then just press delete. The slab is being deleted from the base. Now we'll go to the plinth level and again select the slab and click delete. Now the slab has been deleted from the plinth level also. So here it is. We have drawn our beams, columns and slabs in ETABS. To get a 3D perceptual view, we can just click on this 3D view window, then go to view, then select show rendered view. After rendering, the ETABS will show you a rendered image of our structure, which we can rotate in 360 degrees and check. See, this is our 3-storied building. See, now we can see all the structural members in the rendered view, that is the columns, the beams and the slab. In our next tutorial, I will show you how to assign the different loads to our structure as per Indian Standard Code. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up, and do leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thank you.